is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one of these naked noodles. This is Chinese chow mein. So the last time I did one of these, yeah, it wasn't what I would call Japanese teriyaki by a long shot, but we'll see if this one is somewhat, I guess, like Chinese chow mein. These are British, and British things tend to go gravy. You know, they do noodles with a thick sauce most of the time, it seems like, and I'm sure this will be no exception. And the amount of sauce is kind of like a lot. Yeah, like a lot. But we'll see. All right, how it goes. So here we go on our wonderful journey to noodle wonderment. Not about a little higher. Right to there. Alright. And now we give it a stir. It's the wrong utensil that I notice now. Yeah, we're gonna cover this sucker for 4 minutes. And now the great wait begins. So today is May the 4th, and of course with that, the unending cavalcade of memes declaring May the 4th be with you. The aforementioned Star Wars lisp thing. I don't know, what I always do is like, hey, may the 4th be with you. Live long and prosper. Chewbacca and Gandalf, you know, they're like that. And Spock is a crazy madcap tribble, and yeah. Some people get really irritated with me when I do that, but that's kind of the point. You know, I don't mind. So the huge news right now is not only that they're going to overturn Roe versus Wade in the Supreme Court, but the other great news is that it got leaked. A Supreme Court leak. That's like, I don't know. And now, of course, you've got like a lot of conservatives saying things like, this really shakes my confidence in the Supreme Court. So it's like, first off, you got the leak, which is pretty bad, and then you've got people starting to, let's play this little game. Let's go, I don't have any confidence in the Supreme Court, which is like the highest judicial law truth thing in the country, right? So let's all decide that the Supreme Court's worthless now. It's stupid. It's stupid. America is stupid. I'm there. It's like, God. It's like we've got a sidewalk out here that they're working on, and there's signs that say sidewalk closed. Go over this way, walk on the other side of the street on that sidewalk, it's done. And I see people just like ignore the signs because it's kind of gotten to the point where people are like, that's a stupid rule. I'm just going to do it anyways. I feel entitled. That's the entitlements you got to watch out for. It's more like, my brother and I talk sometimes. He's very conservative, but we have common ground on a lot of things. It is possible to be friends with somebody who is completely diametrically opposed with you politically, which is good, you know. I mean, there's a lot of people who will like I don't talk to them anymore. They like this and they like that. It's like, I like opposing opinions. Come on. But that keeps it interesting. But, dude, it says sidewalk closed. I'm going to walk down the sidewalk. I just don't care. I don't care. Just follow the rules. I don't know. I don't know. It's all a bad scene these days. Hell in a handbasket. At 7:25 a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where it's supposed to get up to 65 degrees today. And what's the new one they were saying too the other night? This one I like. In order to combat inflation, they're raising the interest rate by 0.5%. And that's what you can borrow at, so you'll have to pay more to borrow money. But that may make prices go higher. So it's like, I don't know. But I think that might be one of those short game versus long game things. Well, how much time do I have? Oh. Well, I was gonna put my socks on, but because my feet are kind of cold. But it's supposed to be nice today, so I'm thrilled about that. I'm ready for some more niceness. It's cloudy and 65. It's been chilly enough lately. Oh boy. Oh my god. It so looks like chow mein. It looks about like chow mein, like a ham sandwich. Looks like, what? Laksa? I don't know. Or yakisoba? Wow, that's... Yeah, check it out. Do you think chow mein when you look at that? Whoop, wrong way. Here's your chow mein. This looks like a bad experience. I don't know. It could be good. But it is not. Wow, what's going on lately? I don't know. I've got garnish. I feel kind of like mean to the garnish to use it in this one. As this, I'll use a different bowl to present how stark it is. No, I'll use this bowl. I like this bowl. That right there. Here, let's make sure you get the full ensconcement of the... Here we go. Chow mein. Look at that. Look at the attention to detail. Look at the beautiful representation of Chinese cuisine we have here. It's really something else. Actually, it really is something else. This is like... Yeah, I thought the teriyaki one was bad. This is like... Wow. Somebody likes it. They keep making it. That's what I always have to fall back on. It's like, why would they even make this? It's like, well, somebody buys it and somebody keeps buying it. That's the only reason why they would continue making a product, right? Or they just like... I don't know. Is it like we lose this much product, but it doesn't cost much to make, so we can make it a tax write-off? I don't know. It's a British company. I don't know. Maybe I just don't have the British palate. My mom liked really bland stuff. That was kind of her thing. She'd make spaghetti, and it was just like super dry and really bland. that was her thing, though. She liked that. Well, tragic is all I can say. Tragic. Well, it's kind of been a crummy run here for the Ramen Raider, ladies and gentlemen. This one is a 0-star, and I believe I gave 0 stars to the chicken version of this, which is Ocean's Halo, vegan, plant-based, organic. Yeah, it's vegan beef. Big noodle bowl. Hopefully this one comes out all right, but the last one they had that I tried yesterday was just So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.